Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. This is our lecture number 6, unit number 4, Hazrat Asma Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anha. Today we are going to do exercise C, that is there on page number 38 of your textbook and is based on comprehension. I gave you some homework. If you remember, you were told to go through the unit again and then write answers to the questions in the exercise. I hope that you have done your homework. Now in this lecture, I will discuss these questions with you and write the answers on the board. So here you have got the answers. Question number 1 says, what happened when Abu Jahl asked about Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu? When Abu Jahl asked Hazrat Asma Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anha about her father, she responded him with the counter question saying, how would I know? This infuriated Abu Jahl. He slapped Hazrat Asma's face so hard that her earring fell off, but she remained steadfast and did not reveal the secret. Question number 2. Why was Hazrat Abu Quhafa worried? Who was Hazrat Abu Quhafa? He was Hazrat Asma Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anha's grandfather. So why was he worried? He was worried because he thought that Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu had taken away all the wealth, leaving Hazrat Asma Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anha and the children empty-handed and helpless. The next question, how did Hazrat Asma Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anha console her grandfather? Console means comfort. Tasalli kaise di? She gathered some pebbles, put them at a place where her father used to keep his money and jewels. She covered it with a piece of cloth. Then she made her grandfather touch it and assured him that Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu had left all his wealth at home. The next question, that is question number 4. Who was Hazrat Abdullah bin Zubair Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu? Who was he? Hazrat Abdullah bin Zubair Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu was the son of Hazrat Asma Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anha. The next question says that narrate an incident which shows Hazrat Asma's love and respect for the Rasul Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. She prepared food for the journey. She tied it on the camel back with her own belt as nothing else could be found. Every night with the pack of food, she would quietly venture towards the rugged mountains in which lay the cave of Thor, with the constant fear of being detected. This shows her love and respect for the Rasul Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Okay, so now question number 6. Which incident in the story tells about the generosity of Hazrat Asma Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anha? So towards the end of the unit, you have this incident. Hazrat Asma Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anha sold the garden inherited after the death of her sister Hazrat Aisha Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anha and gave away all the money to the poor and the needy. The poor means all the poor people. The needy means all the needy people. When we add the, this means garibon or zaruratmandon. Now come to question number 7. What message do you get from the life of Hazrat Asma Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anha? The message we get from the life of Hazrat Asma Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anha is that we should have resolute faith in Allah Almighty. We should be ready to make sacrifices for the cause of Islam. Her life also gives us a message of generosity and bravery. Now, the last question, that is question number 8. Her life would always be a beacon of light for all of us. How? Her life would always be a beacon of light for all of us, as it teaches us the lesson of bravery, generosity and sacrifice. It tells us to remain steadfast in the face of hardships and have resolute faith in Allah Almighty. We can always get guidance from her life. So beta, here we have finished doing this exercise. Learn these question answers, and the sentences will be done in the next lecture. So you should be prepared for the exams. Keep studying at home. Allah Hafiz.